Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video, and what I have for you here is something rather unique. Here I have a 48-inch KDK Renaissance ceiling fan from the 1980s. I'm not entirely sure what year this fan is from, but if I had to take a wild guess, I'd say early to mid-1980s. It's got oak blades, polished brass, and it came with this 5-light kit already installed on it. The glass is not original, that I just put on for demonstration purposes. It's a 3-speed fan. Light kit has a 3-way pull chain on it, which I will go ahead and demonstrate. Hangs on the same mounting system as a Hunter original. A claw with a grommet and a U-bolt. Go ahead and show you the gorgeous ornate motor housing. One of the unique things about this motor is that the blades actually mount to the very outer part of the spinner motor that is inside this housing. And they have this really cool looking ornate pattern on the arms itself that connect to the motor. Pretty neat fan. Gotta love this design of the blade arms. Really cool looking. It's got a 2-piece canopy. I just shoved that screw in there to keep it up. Unfortunately, it did not come with the screws for the canopy, but whatever. Top of the motor housing, the stickers are faded, but I don't know if you can see the model number there, 52YAU. KDK, I believe these were made in Japan, if I'm not mistaken. KDK is a Malaysian company, but I believe the Renaissance KDK fans were made in Japan. Sorry about the one daylight LED bulb there. I just kind of threw whatever I had in here. So let's go ahead and we'll fire it up. One of the other unique things about these fans is that they have a cloth cord rather than a pull chain. So we'll go ahead and we'll start it with low. It does have a bit of a hum to it. I picked this one up in Columbus off of Facebook Marketplace. And I used to have a brown and polished brass KDK Renaissance years ago, but sadly I do not still own that fan. This one's in pretty good shape cosmetically. Runs good. And we'll flip it to medium. It does have a bit of a wobble to it. Good air mover on medium. And now high. Not the most impressive air mover in the world, but definitely a good one. It is a reversible fan. As you can see, there is a reverse switch in the switch housing. Definitely have plans to keep this one and maybe find a place to install it in a future home if I can. It's kind of a rare fan. We'll go ahead and do the spin down. Obviously, someone at some point in its life added that tassel rope to it, because this originally would have had a yellow pull chain tassel on it, but that's long gone. That's a pretty quick spin down time. I think the motor needs a little bit of oil, but other than that, it runs pretty good. So there you have it. That's the 48-inch KDK Renaissance. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.